Hello friends, welcome to Rain's Kitchen and Garden. My name is Rain. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious homemade peanut butter. It's super easy to make and all you need is peanuts and a high-speed blender. Okay, so let's make our peanut butter. Here I have some dry roasted peanuts. They're unsalted and I need about 3 cups of this. And that's about, let's see, 440 grams. So I'm going to measure 3 cups. Okay, so I've got 3 cups of the dry roasted peanuts. And I like my peanut butter a little salty, so I've got some pink Himalayan salt here. This is the first time I'm making this peanut butter, so I don't know how much to use, but I'm going to use that much. It's probably about half a teaspoon. I love making things at home because I know what ingredients are going into my food. I used to buy peanut butter, but the problem with that is there are so many ingredients that I don't even understand on the label. So I'm trying to be a little healthier. Now, I'm lucky. I have this, let me show you. It's a Vitamix blender. It's a high-speed blender. Now, I've never tried to make nut butters in a regular blender, but if you try it, please let me know in the comments. But I've read a lot that it requires a high-speed blender to get it really nice and smooth, to get a really smooth peanut butter. So I wanted to show you this tool as well. This is called a tamper tool, and this goes into the blender to push the food into the blade. It comes with the machine, and it's made so that it's never, ever going to touch the blade. It's not long enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly start the Vitamix on the low setting, and I'm going to gradually bring it up to the highest setting. And if the peanuts start to kind of not move around a bit, I'm going to turn off the blender and I'm going to stick the tamper in the top, and then we're going to see what happens. Okay, here we go. It's going to be loud. Okay, so the peanuts are stuck. You may not be able to see it, but I'm taking the top off the blender, just the top off, and I'm going to stick the tamper in there. And as I blend this, I'm going to be pushing down on the peanuts just to make sure that they all get blended. So here we go. check out this peanut butter goodness. I can't wait to try this. This is the first time I've made this. I'm very, very excited. I can't wait to try this on toast. It looks like I'm eating soup. I can't wait to try this on toast, and I can put this in my smoothies, or I can do what I'm doing right now and just dig in and take a scoop of peanut butter without making a mess. Oh, that's really good. A little more salt next time. This is a win. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please give it a like and please do subscribe. If you don't want to miss out on future videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell for more home cooking. Don't forget to leave me a comment, my friends. I love your comments and I reply to all of them. And please share this video with anyone you might think will enjoy it. Thanks again for watching, my friends, and I'll see you next time on Rain's Kitchen and Garden. Bye!